Hey guys, welcome back to VOLPROFIT. Today we're doing a full walkthrough of MetaTrader 5. I've got it open right here in front of me, so we're going to go tab by tab, button by button, and by the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to use this platform like a pro. Now, when you first open MetaTrader 5, this is what you see. Don't worry if it looks a little old school. I know it feels like Windows XP design, but trust me, under this simple look, there's a powerful trading engine. Alright, let's start up here at the very top. See this menu bar? File, View, Insert, Charts, Tools, Window, Help. This is like your command center. Under File, you can open new charts, log into your trading account, or even connect a demo account. If you're new, I always recommend starting with demo first. It's like playing a video game on practice mode before you go online and get destroyed. Next, View. This is where you control what panels are visible. For example, if you don't see the market watch or navigator on your screen, you can bring them back right here. Beginners often panic like, "Bro, my market watch disappeared." Relax, it's just hiding. You can always restore it from the view menu. Then we've got Insert. This is where all your drawing tools and indicators live. You want to add a moving average? You'll find it here. You want to draw Fibonacci retracements? Yep, it's in here too. Think of this tab as your trader's paintbrush. Now Charts. This one's all about customizing how your chart looks. You can switch between candlesticks, line charts, or bar charts. You can zoom in, zoom out, add templates. If your chart looks ugly right now, don't worry, we'll fix it. Under Tools, you'll find the Options menu. This is where you can dig into the deeper settings like server connections, notifications, and trade defaults. Don't stress too much about this at first. Most of the default settings are fine. Window lets you arrange multiple charts. If you want to look at EURUSD, GBPUSD, and BTCUSD all at once, this is how you tile them neatly. Otherwise, you'll end up with 10 overlapping charts and zero idea what's going on. And finally, Help. Let's be honest, no trader ever clicks this unless something's broken. Alright, now let's move to the toolbar under the menu. This is the fast lane, shortcuts to the stuff you'll use every day. See these icons here? This little green plus sign that opens a new chart. Then you've got the chart type buttons, candlesticks, bar chart, line chart. Do yourself a favor, stick to candlesticks. They tell you the most information at a glance. Next to that, you've got time frame buttons. M1 for 1 minute, M5 for 5 minutes, H1 for 1 hour, D1 for 1 day, and so on. Scalpers love the short time frames. Swing traders usually live on the 4-hour or daily chart. Pick the one that matches your trading style. Over here, you've got zoom in, zoom out, and the auto scroll button. Careful with auto scroll. If you're backtesting and the chart keeps jumping forward, it'll drive you crazy. Just switch it off when you want to scroll back calmly. Alright, let's slide over to the left side of the screen. This panel here is the market watch. This is where you see all the instruments your broker offers. You've got symbols, bid price, ask price. If you right click and go to symbols, you'll get a full list. Maybe you only see a few pairs now, but trust me, your broker probably offers a ton more. Just hit show all, and your market watch will suddenly explode with instruments. Don't freak out, you don't have to trade all of them. Just right click and hide the ones you don't care about. Below market watch, you should see the navigator. This is like your toolbox. You've got your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, scripts. If you want to drag RSI or MACD onto your chart, this is where you'll find them. You'll also see your account name here, so if you ever wonder, am I on demo or live? check here before risking your life savings. Now, let's look at the chart area in the middle. This is where all the action happens. By default, it's this black background with green candlesticks. Honestly, it looks like the Matrix. If you like it, cool. But personally, I always customize my charts. Right-click, go to Properties, and here you can change the background, the candle colors, the grid. Make it easy on your eyes because you'll be staring at this screen a lot. At the bottom of the platform, we've got the terminal window. This is super important. You can see your open trades, account balance, equity, margin, and even your trading history. Quick tip, always keep an eye on equity. Balance is just what you started with. Equity is your real account value right now, including open trades. If equity is dropping like a rock, that's your account screaming for help. Alright, let's place a trade together. See this new order button at the top? Click it or just press F9. This window pops up. Here you choose your symbol, volume, lot size, stop loss, take profit, and type of order. Lot size is important. In forex, one lot equals 100,000 units. Don't worry, leverage makes it manageable. But if you're new, start small. 0.01 lot is fine. Trust me, blowing a demo account with big lots is funny. Blowing a real account is not. Stop loss and take profit. Always use them. Think of stop loss as your seatbelt. You hope you don't need it, but you'll be glad it's there when things go wrong. Take profit is your cash out button. Lock in those wins. Now, under type, you'll see market execution and pending orders. Market execution means you're buying or selling instantly at the current price. Pending orders let you set conditions. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. It sounds fancy, but it's basically telling MT5 only open this trade if price reaches this exact level. It's super useful if you don't want to stare at the screen all day. Once your trade is open, it'll show up in the terminal at the bottom. You'll see your entry price, stop loss, take profit, profit or loss. And yes, that red number flashing is your unrealized loss. Don't panic, every trade wiggles around a bit. Alright, let's spice things up with drawing tools. Head to the top menu. Here you can add trend lines, horizontal lines, Fibonacci retracements, channels. Want to mark support and resistance? Use the horizontal line. Want to show a trend? Draw a trend line. Want to feel like a trading wizard? Throw some Fibonacci levels on there. Next, let's add an indicator. Head to the top menu, click Insert, then Indicators. You'll see categories, trend, oscillators, volumes. Let's add RSI, Relative Strength Index. Drag it onto the chart, set the period, hit OK. Now you've got an extra window below your chart showing when a market's overbought or oversold. Cool, right? Just don't go indicator crazy. If your chart looks like NASA telemetry, you've gone too far. Now, here's one of my favorite parts. The strategy tester. You can find it at the bottom panel. This lets you backtest expert advisors or strategies on historical data. You can basically play what if with past price action. But remember, past performance doesn't guarantee future results, otherwise we'd all be billionaires by now. Before we wrap up, let's talk about templates. Once you customize your chart, candles, colors, indicators, save it as a template. Right-click, template, save. That way, next time you open MT5, you don't have to redo everything from scratch. And yes, MT5 also has mobile and web versions. They're simpler, but still powerful. Just don't get glued to your phone checking trades every 5 minutes. That's not trading, that's stress with Wi-Fi. So there you have it. MetaTrader 5, tab by tab, tool by tool. We looked at the menu, toolbar, market watch, navigator, the chart area, terminal, order types, indicators, drawing tools, and even backtesting. It looks complicated at first, but once you click around and get comfortable, it becomes second nature. Remember, MT5 is just a tool. The real trader is you. The platform won't magically make you profitable, your discipline and strategy will. So use this tool wisely, practice on demo, and when you go live, trade smart. That's it for today's walkthrough. I hope you laughed a little, learned a lot, and feel more confident about using MT5. This is Sean, showing you how to master the basics without turning it into rocket science. Catch you in the next one.